Hello and welcome back to Royale Collective and another video. We're back at the workshop again for another video because main reason why we're up here is because for Christmas I got Annie a new lip, but little did she know that along with the lip I got her some new sort of like a rear lip extension. I'm not sure where they are. They're in the boot. They're over here. I got her these. Now, you can't really tell what they are, and we'll get them out of the box in a minute. Packet rather. Put them down on the floor. But yeah, we're going to be fitting them today. But she has. Oh, that was her like surprise that she didn't know about. So today we're going to be fitting them. But she has a modular rear lip, so it's quite a rare lip. We're going to have to modify that a little bit, not too much, just to make them fit. But first we've got to take the bumper off, and that's being a bit of a pig, and he's already started on it. We're going to start taking Annie's bumper off. Let's get cracking. See, it's like that, look. It's in nicely. There we go. There you go. Race car! Happy now? Well, it's obviously light because you can lift it. But yeah, right. So now, if you want to stick that up on its end bits there. Right. Do you want to show everyone what I got you for Christmas? Don't jump over the pit. Alright, you smart ass. You smart ass. What did I get you for Christmas then? That went flying. There you go, look. And there you go down there. It's just like rear lip extensions, but also that's the wrong way around. I think anyway, I'm not really sure. I can't remember how they go, but we got to sort of modify the lip a little bit. Because obviously that's an aftermarket piece. Whereas we'll get it chocked up here so we can get that bit off, even though that's not on the floor. Just like that, and then we can get to that bit because that's where it's got to go, and then we can drill and screw. Can you see what I mean? There's like a ridge here. Can you see that all the way along there? That's got to come off, I think, or at least grind it down flat or something like that, just to make it fit better. Dirty BM. That's the plan for today. Are you looking forward to getting them on?
Yes.
Good. Are you going to do most of the work today? Right, we're going to get cracking. See what we can do. I forgot to bring the other tripod, so you're going to be sat on the boot of my car, which is fine because it does the job amply. Right, let's get fitting. one is on. And we got it all fitted. You can see it there, what do you reckon? With that bit and a bit of the old modular lip, I reckon that looks rather cool. What do you think?
Yeah.
We've got a happy Annie, so we've done good. Christmas was a success. Right, now let's get on with the other side, which is a bit less nerve-wracking because we've already done the other side. So. You never guess what I did. we just about to have, start again. We just had our lunch. Well, Annie was just watching last week's video, so if you wanna check it out, it's the one below this one. And yeah, anyway, so I just went and opened Annie's boot and realised, oh, I left the torch on. This one. Anyway, I left it face down like that, and now I may or may not have melted Annie's boot sort of floor tray thing, so whoopsie. But yeah, now we are going to get and refit the bumper and see how it looks with the new extensions on. Fitted nicely, look. We polished the exhaust tips as well. Just need them side skirt extensions now, and then have a full Maxton kit, and then new wheels. Get them new wheels on that we've already shown you. If you go watch the other video where we done Annie's intake, but we also showed you her new wheels. There we go, that's better. We showed you her new wheels. Go watch it and then let us know what you think. Also, let us know what you think of the little bumper extensions in the comments. You happy with that?
Yeah.
Good job. 100% happy. Should we go back inside quick because that's blooming cold? Just leave the car there. Just don't worry about the car. It's fine. We'll go back inside. Mind your head. That's better. It's a bit warmer. It's a bit windy out there today. But blooming tripod gimbals are so much better. There we go. Right, that's today done. Yeah, happy?
Happy.
Good job. Good Christmas present.
Good Christmas present.
Got you, didn't I? Got you. Right. Anyway, you want to wrap it up? You want to wrap today's video up?
Can do.
What do you mean can do? You do or you don't, you Wally. There's jazz in the back. Look, we're just gonna leave it out there. We're just gonna shut the door now, I think. Just leave it out there for someone to steal, I think. And then we're going to work on this next. Right, that's it for today's video. Join us next week when we do a service on my car. Well, just doing an oil change. We're lacking in content because obviously we can't do anything at all. We managed to come here because it's working on the car, and it's stuff we need to do.
I need to do my handbrake.
Oh, that was the other thing we need to do. We're allowed to do it because obviously I needed to go do a service on my car, which I'm doing today, but obviously you'll see it next week. And Annie needed to do a handbrake, which is the other reason for coming here, we've just remembered. But yeah, that's today's video done. We'll see you next week. We service my car. I'll show you how to do that. It's fairly simple, but for all you people who don't know, I'll show you the easiest way of doing it. Obviously it varies for different car, but it doesn't matter. Right.
Like, comment, share and subscribe, and we'll be back with more videos.
You heard her. Right. See you in the next video. Bye bye.